Good evening, welcome Prestige Worldwide. It is 8:30 on Monday night on the East Coast, September 6, 2021. We've got 2021 Panini Certified 4-box break number 2. Is that correct? Let me just double check that. Yeah, that's what we got. Okay. Ready to roll. eBay break, as always, if you want a one-touch signature confirmation or shipping insurance on your order, please check it out through the store at pwwcards.com. Cards usually ship within 24 to 48 hours, so if you like those services, please make it happen sooner rather than later. There we go with our first box. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Robinson, we've got a 149 Derrick Henry Orange. Tennessee, Lewis F. Dark Horse is Devontae Adams to 99 for your Green Bay Packers. Billy A. Josh Jacobs and Tua. Julio Jones. Shane Buchtel to 299 for your Kansas City Chiefs. KC is Mark W. Filler card, McCaffrey, Dark Horse, and Hopkins. Yono Smith. Ooh, we got a nice blue Seth Williams to 50. Your Denver Broncos, the nice blue variation Seth Williams to 50. Denver's going out to Alex Z. Tariq Hill, Dark Horse, Kamara, and Hill. Aaron Donald. And we've got a nice piece of the game. Alexander Madison. The cutout swatch. Number 250 for your Minnesota Vikings. Madison. Fred S. Looking for some Bills magic? Alright, we'll see what we can do. Aaron Donald, Mahomes, and Diggs. Derrick Henry. Joe Mixon to 299 for your Bengals. Cincy on the board. John W. Patrick Mahomes stars, David Johnson, and Mike Evans. Chase Claypool, Bobby Anderson. We've got a nice gold stars to 25, Tom Brady. Boom, nice hit for your Tampa Bay Bucks. Tampa Tom. Travis K. Congratulations, Travis. Nice Brady hit. Dobbins and Rogers. Montgomery. We got Jamon Davis to 299 refractor for Washington. Adam J. Von Miller seal of approval. DK Metcalf and Daniel Jones. Dak Prescott. Oh. How about a Michael Dean Perry? Mirror signatures. How about that? To 125. Michael Dean Perry, mirror signatures. Browns going out to Thomas W. Congratulations, Thomas. A 2021 Jalen Hurts. That's nice. Eagles. Tyler M. Joe Mixon and Dalvin Cook. Justin Herbert. Big old Jimmy Graham. Dual swatch to 125. The orange variations. For your New Orleans Saints, Jimmy Graham. Nollins. Brandon S. Congratulations, Brandon. Trey Lance, 2021. Josh Allen and Miles Sanders. J.J. Watt. About a Rondale Moore. Pink to 199 RPA. Look at that thing for your Cardinals. Beautiful. Arizona's Alex Z. Congratulations, Alex. There you go. Gold team Devontae Adams, Tom Brady, and Clyde's Edward-Helaire. Box number 2. It's like super dry in here tonight. Devontae Adams, Deshaun Watson, and we got another numbered stars. How about this? Dak Prescott to 149 for your Cowboys. How about them Cowboys? Dak with the orange stars. Jeremy R. Congratulations, Jeremy. Tom Brady and Edwards-Helaire. Damon Harris. How about a Mac Jones? How about that to 125? New generation swatch. Patriots. Thomas K. Congratulations, Thomas, on that. Jonathan Taylor, 2021. Alvin Kamara and Tariq Hill. CD Lamb. Miles Sanders to 299 for your Eagles. Tyler M. Tariq Hill, Josh Allen, and Miles Sanders. TJ Watt, Aziz Ogalajari to 245 for your Giants. Mike O. There you go, Mike. Your Giants. Seal of approval, Jonathan Taylor, J.K. Dobbins, and Aaron Rodgers. Jared Goff. Hard-hitting Jason Witten mirror signatures to 40 for your Dallas Cowboys. Look at that. Jeremy R. The Jason Witten auto. Russ Wilson Dark Horse. DK Metcalf and Daniel Jones. Brandon Ayuk. There we go. Justin Fields, the 199 new generation rookie swatch. The Bears, Kim A. Congratulations on that Justin Fields hit, Kim. Dark Horse, Josh Allen. Travis Kelce and Tyler Lockett. Drew Lock. Ramondre Stevenson. Freshman Fabric Auto. 4-color swatch, number to 199 for your Patriots. There you go. New England going out to Thomas K. Nice hit there, Thomas. Justin Jefferson, 2021. McLaren and Odell Beckham. Taysom Hill. There's a Josh Allen, the Jags, 249 insert. Jacksonville, Kim A. Gold team, look at this, to 75. DeAndre Hopkins, beauty. The blue version of the gold team Number to 75, Arizona, Alex Z. Congratulations on that nice hit, Alex. Darren Waller and Devin Singletary. Lamar Jackson. Creed Humphrey to $3.99 for Kansas City. Creed looked like he's running for the office supply truck, but Mark W., that's yours. Dak Prescott Stars. Aaron Jones and Michael Pittman. Darius Slayton. Jimmy Garoppolo to $149 for your 49ers, the orange variation. Jimmy G. San Francisco is going to be Daniel D. Seal of approval, James Robinson, Saquon Barkley, and Marlon Humphrey. Going on to box number 3. Terry McLaurin. Kellen Mond. $249 new generation for your Vikings. Minnesota. Fred S. There you go, Fred. Nice. Kellen Mond. 2021 Justin Jefferson. Taysom Hill and Drew Lock. Odell Beckham Jr. Terrence Marshall to $149, Carolina. Ashley A. Josh Allen Dark Horse. Brandon Ayuk and Darius Slayton. Travis Kelce. How about a Trey Sermon to $3.99? Tricked us there with it being reversed. Trey Sermon, San Francisco, Daniel D. Seal of approval, James Robinson, Lamar Jackson, and Devontae Adams. Marlon Humphrey, Joe Mixon to $2.99, Cincinnati. John W. Dak Stars. It's like the third one of those. Damon Harris and Jared Goff in that Lions uni. Get used to that. Tyler Lockett, Saquon Barkley. How about a nice Dak to 10 on the Dark Horse? The purple Dark Horse. Dallas. 3 of 10, Dak Prescott. Jeremy R. Deshaun Watson and CeeDee Lamb. Josh Allen. Anthony Schwartz. Freshman fabric. RPA $199. $199. Thomas W. Stars, DK Metcalf, Austin Eckler, and Cam Newton. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Ooh, Justin Fields to 50. The nice turquoise, or not turquoise, but like a blue variation there for your Bears. Kim A. Nice hit there, Kim. Seal of approval, Jonathan Taylor, Jeff Okudah, and Matt Stafford. Tom Brady, Kawhi Payne. Kawhi to $2.99 for your Colts. David H. Dark Horse Russ Wilson, Amari Cooper, and LaMichael Perrine. If you haven't checked it out yet, Netflix has got a nice series out. Great documentary on the Danbury Trashers. Michael Pittman, Clay Matthews. How about this? /20. This is the second mirror auto for the Browns. We had Michael Dean Perry and Clay Matthews. Bring back the 80s, huh? Clay Matthews /20. Cleveland is Thomas W. Jonathan Taylor, Jerry Jeudy, and Jimmy Garoppolo. Aaron Jones. How about Jalen Reagor, the die cut Eagles /249. Piece of the game. Reagor, Lewis F. Congratulations, Lewis, on that. Gold team Tyreek Hill, TJ Watt, and Michael Thomas. All right, box number 4. As always, if you wanted a mag touch or one touch, it's the hard case. It protects the card. Or if you want shipping insurance or signature confirmation on your orders, please check that out through the store at pwwcards.com. Cards usually ship within 24 to 48 hours. And so, if you want that added to your order, please do it as soon as possible. These may go out really quick because I'm trying to go to a concert tomorrow. Dead and Company, if you care. Justin Herbert. Cool. Dwayne Eskridge /75. Seattle is Lewis F. Mac Jones 2021. Terry McLaurin and Odell Beckham Jr. Josh Allen, J.J. Watt. Gold team, Stephon Diggs /99. There you go. Your Bills hit. Buffalo, Paul D. A nice Stephon Diggs gold team, red. Darren Waller and Devin Singletary. Chase Claypool. Hunter Long /299 for Miami. Mike O. Kyler Murray stars, Aaron Jones, and Michael Pittman Jr. David Montgomery. Mike Strahan, Hall of Fame /15. Hall of Fame signatures. Canton certified, I should say. New York Giants. Mike O. There you go, not Strahan. Tom Brady, seal of approval. Saquon Barkley and Marlon Humphrey. Juno Smith. How about Trevor Lawrence? Are you kidding me? Boom. New generation /199. Trevor Lawrence. There it is. Jacksonville is Kim A. Congratulations, Kim. Stephon Diggs, Dark Horse, Kelsey, and Lockett. George Kittle, Tua /299 on that teal swatch. Miami is Mike O. There you go on that Tua. Aaron Donald, Russ Wilson, and Jalen Reagor. Yeah, Thurman Thomas auto. You never know, man. Cortland Sutton. Jacob Harris. Freshman fabric auto /249 for your Rams. Nice three-color swatch in there. Rams going out to Christopher P. DeAndre Hopkins stars. Baker and Calvin Ridley. Christian McCaffrey. Daz Newsome to 149. The orange variation, Chicago. Kim A. Look here. 4 of 10 on this Josh Allen Stars. There you go, Paul D. Paulie D with the Josh Allen to 10. Nice hit. Devontae Parker and Antonio Gibson. Sam Darnold. Kyle Pitts to 199. The purple. Jason L. George Kittle Gold Team. Carson Wentz and Gronkowski. And last pack. Good luck on the break. Thanks for bringing us as always. Zeke Elliott. Devin White to 299 for Tampa Bay. Travis K. Aaron Rodgers Stars, T. Higgins, and Justin Jefferson. So that's the break. Get the video uploaded to YouTube and get these cards packaged up and shipped out. Have a great night, everybody.